just before reaching Rongrong PHC. So this is dilapidated condition. So we'll have to quickly take care of such things, because this Rongrong PHC is a very important institution as it caters to so many villages here.
Jol ni mandirang na cek tempat harianera jeda kode ringwel sifang jolo jakal gepat si pura mangen makna aro ndak mana dengtang jelat kani natok na batrang ya cek demo jelani ko makna ini geman ya cek temko abri jolo nanga nggak
So this is an incomplete IAY house or PMAY house. So all beneficiaries, we have to go and ensure that all houses, PMAY houses, are complete. Otherwise, many of those who deserve will not get house. So we'll look into this, whose house is it and why is it not complete. So this is another PMAY house, 2017-18, and as you can see, roof part is still remaining. I don't know for what reason. We are just finding out where the beneficiary is. Wasturang donga. Complete. Oh. Yeah, will she complete? Okay. This is another PMAY house. Only doors are remaining, so we're just gonna ask why they are not completing it. ठीक है, तारा के complete कब? Local innovation, local छाता. nama. So this is one of the bridge made by MG and job card, and the president secretary. So this is you can see that this is very important for connecting, because there are some households this side, some household that woman is going there, some houses are there. You can see the river. Idhar mein camera leke ho. So during rainy season it is not possible to cross, and of course for children and all it becomes difficult. So this kind of structures are very important in MG and RGS, and we should try to first focus on connectivity and ensure that there is access to all the households. We are at another PMAY beneficiary's house, and as you can see, the windows have not been put, so this cannot be marked as complete. Let's ask the beneficiary. Bano, beneficiary, come on. Song ni mama problem. So here you can see on the way, jackfruits are lying, and it's just along the way, there's every village. This is the story. So we want to. ये jackfruit use क्यों नहीं करता है?
हम लोग सब जगह में है, अपना अपना है, इसीलिए ये लोग क्यों नहीं
तो बाहर तो डिमांड हुआ
कोई इसको खरीदने वाला यहाँ तो कोई भी नहीं आता है, इसलिए हमको इसको बिकने के लिए नहीं मिल रहा है।
अच्छा, तो यहाँ से लेके जाओ ना सेल करने के लिए।
कहाँ से लेके जाएगा, आजकल तो कोई लॉकडाउन का था ना,
ओके ओके ठीक है। देख लॉकडाउन जमानो
सब अपने को
also on the tree also it's full of jackfruits. We need to do something. So this village is having a computer shop, HR Mara computer. So I just gave him the idea ki to start the common service center CSC. CST start kabo?
Đó khagen.
Ah. My problem.
Problem de bangi de tunga yan ansani area au network
Network doa, Airtel doa, Jio doa.
Airtel lang de tunga